I need to start the vlog before I actually forget to do it again. So plan of action in the morning is we've got these eBay Live orders to ship out. With me and Will just getting those out now. Ronty's picking orders over there. We're going to get those shipped out, and then we've got the actual eBay orders to get out as well. It's just being picked on the trolley. We're going to go live again today. I think I'm doing a homeware show. Look at this. This is how we have to cover up the computer at night, because basically the roof leaks there and we have to cover in a tarp so it doesn't get wet. But we've got this pallet of homewares here, which I kind of need to get through, because we've got this, and then we've got like another half pallet over there, and then that whole shipment's finished off. So it would be good to just get that finished and sold out, and then we can just move on to the other lost property. There's videos that we need to be recorded today as well. So we've got unboxings, suitcase unboxings, and mystery box unboxings, all need to be done today. So once this space is cleared here, we'll put the table there, set up the lighting, and then we'll record it with the background going that way. And we need to, when Chloe's back from Centre Parks, she needs to sort out this area, because this is an absolute state. Not impressed with how this looks and how it's been dealt with. Oh, and we're gonna sell all these suitcases. We've basically got some boxes turning up from like a company that sells secondhand boxes. So we've ordered like 6 pallets of boxes. And once all those boxes turn up, we're gonna sell all of those suitcases on eBay Live. So that should be a fun stream. And if you're not following eBay Live, you can click the link tree and go follow me on eBay Live. But that's it so far. Oh, and then when we run out of stock, we've got all this stock to go through as well and get all the bits picked up. But this is all the stuff we're going through for eBay Live. So yeah, lots to do today. I'm staying busy. I've got a cup of tea, and it's fine. These orders have been shipped out now, and I'm just getting everything ready for our eBay Live stream, so you can see myself on video here. We've got OBS synced up to the eBay Live, and we're just getting ready to get that started now. I'm going to be selling this crate of stuff behind me. Will's over there, sorting out all of the new stuff that's going to go on the B&Q platform. And we just had those pallets of lost property turn up. There's 4 of those, so I'm going to get those unboxed in a video, and then that could be uploaded later tonight. So there's lots to do, and it is currently 10 to 3, so we're doing all right. It's been a bit of a busy one since I left the warehouse earlier. I've been home, had to drop Bronte back into town, and then I went to the gym, and I've had some food as well in Wetherspoons, and now I'm just going home again. It's been a really tiring day on the back of a really tiring week. I've got a headache. It's just one of those weeks where it's just really taken out of me. There's been a lot kind of going on, a lot of movements and a lot of stress, and you know, it's probably a good thing that I'm really busy, but sometimes it just doesn't feel like it, you know? Sometimes it feels like quite a negative. Get that light on so you can actually see me. Sometimes it feels negative, even though I know it's kind of positive, and you know, things progress, but it just gets really hard when the stress kind of mounts on top of you about like quite serious things. Because I think what I get stressed over is like, I'm used to the things that go wrong now, to be honest. When something breaks, or you need to fix something, or someone's got a problem, someone's complaining, like I'm used to that. But when you've got like really big concerns, like things that will change the shape of your business, or things that will put you out of business, or costs that you can't afford but you need to do, those are the things that really stress me out, because it feels like they carry more weight. And those are the things that I think I struggle with to kind of keep inside mentally, because obviously just work by myself, I have to make my own decisions about the company, and any decisions I make are my fault, right? So obviously I could talk to people for advice, or like do this, do that, but at the end of the day, I'm the one making the decision, so it all lands on me. Anyway, I think I need some good rest tonight. I need to go to bed. I need to have some really good sleep, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's vlog.